I'm going to show you something through here why we always scoop out. So we're going to come up, cut it, and then take it away. Same again. Can you see the difference? Before I was like that, really exaggerating coming out, but if I do that, what do you think that's doing?
Two things seem really important to me here. One is the difference between the proper technique and the incorrect technique is not exaggerated. One's not clearly right and one's not exaggeratedly wrong. It's a fairly subtle difference. Two, he's asking the students to analyze, did you see what I did there, rather than to judge which one is better. He wants them to think about the details of why.
That's exactly what it's doing. So, what it's doing is, as we come up and we just pull out, it's giving it a step, which is not what you want in a blend. In fact, that's what we're trying not to give it. So, the scoop and the flick is what's blending it through. It's the most important part of it, or one of the most important parts of it. So, just remember when you go up, you'll automatically want to do that. But really, we should be, yeah?
The sequence of the demonstrations is really important there. You might describe it as plus, minus, plus. First I see it done correctly, then I see it done incorrectly, and I can notice the subtle differences between what correct looks like and what incorrect looks like. Ideally, I'm looking at pretty subtle differences there. And the last thing I see is another demonstration of the correct example. So the last thing in my working memory as a learner is what it looks like when it's done right.